This is my new GoPro Hero 7 Black and I bought it from Amazon. It is available in India from September 27 and you will buy it from Amazon. I am going to review on this in a short moment. First look at this texture in a four corner of this. So now is the review time. This is the mini tripod with mini extension fold which is available in every GoPro series. And this is my little GoPro Hero 7 Black. So this one with this, I'm going to open it in a shot. Let's go to open it. This one. So little more information over here are there. 12 megapixel, 4K 60, M080, 1080, 2P 420. Let's remove this. This thing is come with this warranty period, 1 year of warranty with the Let the Adventure Begin card, and then we have to open the box. These are the manual to open this one. Then this is the little GoPro stickers. And this is a mini guide how to do these things. This is the instruction manual is there. Instruction manual. And there are things like the USB charger. And two mountain boards. And one battery charger. There is no charger adapter is there, but only battery and a cable. Then let's go to unbox it properly, the little GoPro. So to open this, push it upward just like this and press it and push it to the front. This is my little GoPro. And this is for adjustments. You can adjust it over here. And to open this mini frame from the little GoPro, just do like this and press it and upward, take it upward, press it like this, just push it towards you, little harder, and you will get this. This is my little GoPro Hero 7 Black. And this is a little mount over here. It's so cool, but it's not easy to open. Let's go for the tripod. What is there in the tripod? So this is the tripod that comes with this little GoPro. This is a tripod stand. Just like this. And you can mount it over here. And this is all. Subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for latest reviews. So going to open this for putting the battery in. So you have to push it like this and then drop the battery. On it. This is going to on like this. This is a little GoPro 7 Black with his mark over here is a black 7, and they're going to say us what language to choose English. And then by using this GoPro, I agree to the condition of the legal. You can turn on the GPRS. I'm turning on my GPRS, and the GoPro app, you can follow the little instruction. So this one.